Lost in Muggle boredom? Escape to magical Diagon Alley. Piece by piece. Muggle life feels mundane, where's the magic? Does your daily routine feel like it's stuck in a loop of chores and screens? Have you ever dreamed of escaping to a world filled with spells, enchanted shops, and wizarding wonders? Fans of Harry Potter often long for a touch of magic in their adult lives, but let's face it, finding a way to reconnect with that sense of wonder can be challenging. What if there was a way to immerse yourself in the wizarding world while also creating a stunning display worthy of a collector's shelf? Enter LEGO's Diagon Alley, a magical build awaits. The LEGO Harry Potter Diagon Alley set, 76444, offers the perfect escape for Potterheads and collectors alike. With 2,750 intricately designed pieces, this microscale masterpiece lets you recreate iconic wizarding shops like Ollivanders, Weasleys Wizard Wheezes, and Gringotts Bank. Unlike standard LEGO sets, this one is packed with Easter eggs, hidden details, and magical surprises that keep builders engaged for hours. Whether you're new to LEGO or a seasoned brick wizard, this collectible kit challenges your creativity and rewards you with a stunning result. Enchanting features that outshine the ordinary. What sets this LEGO set apart? It's not just a building kit, it's an interactive storytelling experience. The 12 microfigures, including Harry, Hermione, and Ron, spark memories of your favorite movie scenes, while the inclusion of the night bus adds an extra layer of nostalgia. The model can be displayed as a two-sided street, a single row, or split into 5 sections, giving you endless customization options. Unlike other sets, it's designed for adults, ensuring high-quality, durable pieces that fit seamlessly, making it perfect for long-term display. Saving time, money, and stress, one brick at a time. Looking for a mindful activity to help you unwind? Building this set is not only fun but also therapeutic. Studies show that hands-on hobbies like LEGO building reduce stress and improve focus. Plus, instead of spending hundreds on separate collectibles, this kit gives you multiple shops and accessories in one package. Its durability and timeless design ensure that it's a worthwhile investment, whether you're buying it for yourself or gifting it to a fellow Harry Potter fan. Bring Diagon Alley to life in your home. Stop dreaming of magic, start building it. With its attention to detail, customizable display options, and endless Easter eggs, the LEGO Harry Potter Diagon Alley set is more than just a toy, it's an experience. Whether you're a lifelong Harry Potter fan or a LEGO enthusiast, this kit invites you to lose yourself in the magic of the wizarding world. Grab your wand, or in this case, your bricks, and transform your space into a slice of Diagon Alley today.